Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can solve the issue of receiving payments from your customers. It may be like you are receiving the payment from your country itself or from the other countries. So I was also facing the same issue. Let me show you the screenshot of one of my client. He was trying to send me the amount, but he was getting this error. You cannot send money right now. Your recipient cannot accept payments right now. So how I solved this, I will be showing you in this video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, just subscribe the channel and like this video as well. So let's start with the video. So first of all, you need to log into your PayPal account. So you need to go to www.paypal.com. So here you have to enter your email address, then you have to add the password and then click on login. So once you are logged in, so there would be the dashboard, but basically I am talking about my personal PayPal account. So this is not the business one. So if you wanted to see the business one, I will be uploading a new video for that account as well. But for now, you have to see about the personal account. So here on the gear icon, you need to click over it, and then after you will be getting few settings over here. So you need to click on seller tools, and then after you need to scroll it down, and here we have the option like payment receiving preferences. So you need to click on update. So once you are clicking on update, there are a lot of things over here. So what you gonna do here is like we have one option which is there are two options actually. Allow payment sent to me in currency I do not hold. So maybe someone is facing the currency issue, so you need to click on yes, accept and convert them to USD. So this will also solve the issue of those customers whose currency is not supported with your account. For example, you have the USD and the other person is also trying to send in USD, then that would be better. But if he has different currency, then he will be facing the issue. So at that moment you can click on yes, and actually the currency would automatically be converted. So the next option that you have to enable is block accidental payments. So you may prevent accidental payments by blocking duplicate invoice IDs. So here you need to click on no. So that means you are allowing the payments from the other people. For example, you are just getting the amount from your YouTube subscribers. So at that moment, you know that they are just sending the amount without taking the invoice and everything, right? So you are no more able to send them the invoice, and then they will be sending the amount. So at that moment they will be sending you directly to your account. So that's why we need to click on no, allow multiple payments per invoice ID. All right. So once you are done with this, then that means you have solved the issue. So if still you are thinking that the issue is still not solved, then after you have to do one more thing, which is like you need to click on offers. So here on top menu you will be getting the offers. So you need to click over it, and then you need to hover over the business. So here we have the business. So wait for a while. Yeah, hover over the business, then you have identity verification. So according to the country, there would be different identity verifications, like you are in US. So at that moment you have to upload specific verification proof which has SSN number, right? So since I am living in India, those who are living in India, they need to upload their documents accordingly. So we have the rules and regulation regarding the KYC. So we need to click on identity verification. So once we are clicking over it, then we have two ways to verify. For example, we are interested to receive only international payments, then we need to click on this complete KYC. So let's see what's the option over here. So we have only 2 to 3 options. Add bank, I already did, and we have to upload the personal information as well, right? So here we need to click on get started, and we have to fill all the details. Here we need to add the PAN number. So PAN card number you need to fill over here, and in that way the things would be going smooth. So let me upload my own PAN number address. Then you need to click on submit. And select your purpose code. So here you need to add few things like what's the motive of your getting the amount. So actually I am just giving some software consultancy and implementation and everything. So I need to click over here and then need to submit. So finally I end up with all the verifications. So go to account overview. So now I can return to my account that is verified and everything is okay now. So otherwise you have one more option, which was I already told you that if you are interested to. So here the other option is like if you are interested to accept the payments from your local customers as well as the international customers. So at that moment you have to click on this complete KYC button. Here we have the message like receive local and international payments. So you need to click over it, and there would be some more details over here. So I have already added the purpose code and added the bank. So now I need to add few more details like proof of identity. Wait for a while. Let me agree and get started. So you can see over here I need to add the proof of identity, proof of address, proof of bank. So what would be the proof of identity? Like your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your SSN ID. And what would be the proof of address? That can be also the Aadhaar card and home address document and all. Proof of bank means you have the statement of your bank, latest statement, like maximum 6 months old, and if you have the latest one you need to upload that one. So in that way all the details once you are filling, then you need to click on this specific submit button and everything would be okay. So in this way you can solve the issue of the things which you are facing right now. But for now I will be uploading all the details later on. But for now, if you are facing the error which I have just shown you, then definitely that error would be removed from your customers payment options, while when your customers are trying to pay you some amount. So at that moment they will not be facing such type of issues anymore. Why? Because they have verified, you have verified everything, and now you are good to go with the international payments. So if you are interested to accept the local customers as well, then you need to follow all these steps again. So one more way of uploading the documents is like you need to go here, wait for a while. So I am just pasting the URL here, www.paypal.com, then IL/upload doc. So once you are pressing the enter, once you are pressing the enter key, then you will be getting this screen. So here you need to choose one document and then attach that specific file, and then after you need to click on send button, and that would be uploaded as well. So this is also one of the way that you can do over here. So I think you got the basic understanding that how you can verify your PayPal account, and in that way your international customers could able to send you the amount, and maybe those people who are living into your country, so they will also send you the amount, and you are good to go with your PayPal payments. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking that this video has solved your issue, then please like this video and also subscribe this channel. I will be adding more useful videos on this channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.